Alright guys, now we're going to talk about how to add advertisements onto your YouTube videos and monetize them so you can start making money. So to do this, you just click the monetization tab on whatever video you're editing, and then it will take you to the page in which you can add advertisements onto your video. Now, if your video is longer than 10 minutes long, you can add as many advertisements as you want on the video. Now, for the types of channels we're going to be creating, I recommend adding an advertisement every 1 to 2 minutes. So as you can see on this video right here, we only have 2 ads right now because we just clicked suggested placements, and then it put like 2 ads where the audience engagement is the highest. But I recommend adding more advertisements, so you can just take this little slider right here, put it wherever you want, and then click insert ad. And it's that simple, guys. So then we just go to another minute, insert ad, go to another couple minutes, insert another ad, and just insert as many ads as we want. Make sure they're spaced out pretty good, just like that. And then you can just click before. Like, by default, these won't be checked, so make sure you click before and after video and have those checked as well. So you can add advertisements, like when the video ends, then an ad will play. And Google chooses what ads are shown on your videos. You don't actually get to choose, but make sure that all these ad formats are selected because you want as many ads as possible on your video because you want to make as much money as possible. So make sure you have overlay ads checked, make sure you have sponsored cards checked, and make sure you have skippable video ads checked. These will all be different ways of monetizing your channel and making money. So once you added a bunch of advertisements on your channel, you just click Save Changes, and then all your ads will be shown on your videos.